Pieces of mine. I will create a mirror display interface, leading the user to contextualize the loss of lives due to COVID-19 over time. By experiencing watching their self-reflection in the mirror display fade away in pixel art, with the incompleteness as a designated ratio of the total death and total population. In order to do that, my methodology includes three important parts, correspondingly with three pieces of research findings. The first one is about data selection and how to critically apply them in my project. In this research article, it points out the issue of data poor, margins, gaps, inaccuracy, etc. Data has its own significant role in this pandemic because, as is quote here, data numbers determine the existence of the problem, and they determine which countries and social groups ought to elicit our concern. Besides that, data gap data poverty express a form of invisibilities. Due to much complexity in the process of collecting data, as well as the subject matter, marginalized social groups such as homeless, in-low-income families are very likely to be invisible, either willingly or not. I plan to redact the universalization of the problem narrative concept, which simplify the issue by only considering one sole source of death number. I hope to represent the concept of death at its full meaning, scale, and heaviness. Therefore, I will plan to choose the largest number among several major databases conducted by different parts of the world and then applied it in my project. The second one is about the use of mirror. There are many existing research pointing out how mirror provokes self-reflection. This research I found goes one step further to focus on the unsettling sense and also multiple layers of self-reflection during the activity of look inside a mirror. It is quoted here. Mirrors are particular objects associated with particular uncanny experiences. And also, the objectification of the self as seen by others is another source of fear and anxiety, at least in human. I decided in my project not to shy away from the uncanny, but take use of potential atmosphere constituted by the mirror. Therefore, I can help to explore different levels of self-exploration and emotions during the process. The last one is about leading the user through the interaction. I found the process of leading to interactivity similar to how educational theories are using interactive response systems to invoke students' engagement, attention in their learning. As it quoted here, many studies have confirmed that an instant feedback system has positive effects on learning motivation, learning engagement, attention, and learning performances. Gamified learning has also been focused on educational field for the similar reasons. Therefore, I plan to set up an appealing stage to intrigue my users' curiosity and also at the same time apply the educational theory and gamified perspective on gaining attention. This is all my finding. Thank you.